Hey everyone, welcome back to Martin's Sticky Buns. I'm going to be making some biscotti today. The recipe is in the description box for everyone to have a look at. It's fairly straightforward, so let's see how it's done. I've got all of the ingredients that we need, starting with 250 grams of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. I'll just sift these into the bowl. I'll add 100 grams of caster sugar, 1 egg and 1 yolk, the zest of 1 lemon, and some milk, 35 millilitres. Just give these a mix up. Now I'll add some unsalted butter. I'll give this butter a mix in. Right, now I'll just get my hands in. Right, time for the almonds. I'm using whole almonds with the skin on. Right. Now we need to split it into two and roll them out into logs. They're ready for the oven. They'll be preheated to 180 degrees C with a fan assisted, and they'll go in for 25 to 30 minutes. These are out of the oven now and they've had a rest of about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to slice them up. These are going back in the oven now at the same temperature and for 15 to 20 minutes. Well, they're out of the oven now. Cooled down a bit, but they're still a little warm. I don't care, I love these and I'm going to try one. You can see the lumps of almond there. That is a beautiful biscotti. Flavours of almond and lemon zest come through clearly, and that crunch. That's all I've got time for, folks. If you did like that recipe, click subscribe on my channel and you'll get more of the same sticky buns recipes every week. See you later.